Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Docker Desktop with registry credentials step by step clearly. Open Docker Desktop on your computer. Ensure you are logged in to your Docker account. If you are not logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your Docker Hub credentials and click Sign In again. Once logged in, click on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, select the Docker Engine tab. In the Docker Engine JSON configuration, you may want to configure registry settings if needed. Open a command line interface like Terminal or Command Prompt. To log into a specific registry, type the command docker login your registry URL. Replace your registry URL with the actual URL of the registry you wish to use. Press Enter and you will be prompted for your username. Enter your registry username and press Enter. Next, you will be prompted for your password. Type your password and press Enter again. If your login is successful, you will see a Login Succeeded message. Now you can pull or push images to that registry. To verify authentication, you can run a command like docker info. Look for the section labeled Registry to confirm that you are connected. You are now ready to use Docker Desktop with your authenticated registry credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.